Do you want to know how you can log into your Oracle or your Oracle Payroll account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your payroll account on Oracle. Go ahead and open any browser on your PC. Go to the search bar to search for Oracle Payroll Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. After you click on that link, it will take you to the official login portal of Oracle. Now what you need to do is start with your username. Go ahead and write down your username in the first box. After you write down your username, go to the second box and write down your password. As soon as you write down your password, click on this icon and check your password. Make sure your password matches with your username and both of them are associated with your Oracle Payroll account. Once you write down your username and password, click Sign In. This way, you can successfully sign into your Oracle Payroll account. If you need any kind of help in logging in, click on this link and you can see that there are a lot of options and it will help you to solve your problems. So guys, this is how you log into your Oracle Payroll account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.